Then we have to look for something. Listen, you have to do something. You have to think of a suggestion. Another suggestion. This great mother's suggestion is not working. This our solution is not a solution. Instead, it's destroying things for me. It's a disaster. Think of something, please. How can she insist on a waist bead? If it's a solution, why is it tearing my relationship apart the more? Why? It's not a solution. How can she be saying it now? How can she be saying I should stick to this thing? What she's telling me to stick to is causing problems in my home, in my relationship, and she's telling me to stick to it. How? You have to do something now. It's not you again. Do something now. I'm going crazy.
Okay, fine. I am going to think. But you have to calm down. Okay? Sit first. Sit. I'll come up with something. Can you please sit? Please. My darling, just sit. Okay? Stop this. Just sit. Listen, Maureen. 4 times we've gone to the great mother. And 4 times she stood her ground to tell us there is no alternative solution to this. Seriously, I am lost. I know Michael hates waist beads. I know. But you told me that this waist bead has proven effective in scaring the ghost away. Just worry less about his hate for beads. You know, there is nothing love cannot overcome, including his hate for beads in a woman's waist. He loves you so much and you know it.
Are you being serious right now? Like, are you being serious right now? Anne, ever since we became friends, this is the dumbest thing I have heard you say. How can you say I should ignore him? Ignore my man? This is actually tearing him farther away from me, and you're telling me to still ignore him on top of it? How? You know Michael. You know him. You know how he calls me every day, every hour of the day. Before the semester started, you know, he calls me every hour to check on me. Now let me tell you, in the last 3 days, Michael has not even called my phone. And you're telling me to ignore him? I mean, this is not a solution. This is breaking my relationship apart. It is destroying my relationship. It's just less than 2 weeks to my wedding. And you're telling me to ignore him? What are you saying? You have to think of something. Stop telling me to ignore him. Do you want my relationship to tear apart right now?
Okay,
Stop telling me to ignore him. What are you saying?
Calm down. Yes. Okay. Fine. I have another solution. Yes. Since this one is not working, let's try a spiritualist. Yes. I know of a Hindu priest. He can help us. I'm very sure of this man. He can help us.
Really? Are you sure? Yeah, are you sure he can help me? Yeah, can he help me?
Do we still have the leisure of waiting to be sure of anything before trying it out?
No, we don't. You're right, please. So, can we go now? Please.
Yes,
let's just go.
We can go.
Okay. I'll stand up now.
You need to calm down.
Calm down.
Nwoke Edoka ogburu agụ nyara agụ n'onu. Nwoke Edoka ogburu agụ nyara agụ n'onu. Onye gburu agụ nọ agụ n'onu maka na obodo anyị na-asụ igbu agụ. Nwoke Edoka onye gburu agụ nyara agụ n'onu maka na iyi agụ na-eri. Nwoke Edoka ogburu agụ onye si na iyi agụ na-egbu na-agbụta n'otu nwa hara agụ orie. Nwoke Edoka ogburu agụ mụta otu nwa hara agụ orie.
Edi abalị eze dibịa nwa dibịa ji otu mgbọrọgwụ agbaji une aka abịa m.
What did the spirit tell you? Mmụọ the seer was right. Your daughter is dead.
Ghost of my ancestors. Could this be true?
The spirit do not play prank with a diabali.
Hey!
Never. Whatever they tell me is what I have told you. And that is what it is. Her spirit is angry. And she is out for vengeance. But
But what?
her killers has put her under some diabolical restraint. And she is struggling to break free without success so far.
Hey! That is unacceptable, Ediabale. You must...
Her spirit is frustrated. She runs about, including in your house, watching you and your wife grieving for her. She is growing angrier and angrier as a result. And that is making her frustration to boil over.
Free her spirit for me, Ediabale. Biko. Free her to avenge herself against her wicked killer. Biko.
She is already working towards that on her own. She has been indirectly working to frustrate her killers every effort to live normal again.
Oh.
She will soon regain the full initiative and unleash her fury against her wicked killer. She will soon do, because she had the gods and ancestors fully backing her.
Very good. I trust you, Deborah One. My great daughter never relent until your killer is exposed and dead too. Yes, dead too. Hey, Idiabale, where can I find my daughter's corpse? I will want to take her home and give her proper burial.
She will take care of that when she is done avenging herself against her wicked killers. Oh yes, she wishes to run back and buried in her father's compound. She will lead you to her corpse by herself when she is done with the battle she is fighting now. She will. Go home and wait. Go home. Go.
Thank you, Idiabale.
Lika pashata makara sarapakatasa. Sharakatasa. Hibakata karoko putoko shokotoroko. Hibakata kaporoko to shokorotoko. Hibakata karoko putoko shokotoroko. Lekapata katoroko. Lipakataka shokotoro kumokotoro. Lipakata shakatara morokotoro. Take. Uncle Chain, what is this for?
The elements said that this is the only solution.
Ha! Not again now. No, not again. Not again now, eh? Not again. And now, it's not the same thing. What is the difference now? Stop shouting. Oh, yeah, now. Okay, I've been talking to him now.
Wise one, is there no other thing you can give her? Yes, give her something, maybe something she can burn, something she can chew, maybe insects, anything at all. Please, just give her, not this ankle chain again.
If she really wants to keep the ghosts in check, she must wear it at all times. All the 7 powers that have the power to stop angry and harmful ghosts are inside the chain. Wear it or prepare for the worst as soon as you leave this sacred room.
Oh God. Sir, please. Please, sir. The reason I'm here is because I'm looking for another solution. My fiancé does not like things like this. Items like this, he doesn't like them. See, my fiancé has even threatened to call off our wedding. That is almost like in about 2 weeks' time. He doesn't like things like this. All these items like waist bead, leg chain, he doesn't like them. I'm wearing one now. He doesn't like it. And this waist bead, it was a spiritualist that gave me for this same issue. I'm actually here for alternative now. It's the same thing now.
Wise one. See, we've actually been to places, yes, in search of solution. But they're still telling her to wear waist bead, and we're here for a different kind of solution. Please, is there any other alternative solution you can give us to this now?
Put the charm in his food. Once he eats it, he will become like a puppet in your hand. Whatever you want, he will do without hesitation. He will not even remember what he likes or hates again.
That one is good. It's better. This one is better. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Give me this one.
Thank you. Thank you, wise one.
This one is good.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Meli.
Oh, this is for you. It's not for me.
This is for you. Fresh.
Give me this. Wear this one.
This man is working.
Leave Kappa.
My own daughter. The daughter of her father. Oh my God. Hey, my 1 in a million daughter. One in a million daughter. David. Hey, come on. She's back home for good. Her father's daughter. Her father's only daughter. Allow her to come and greet her father. Hey, look at my daughter. My daughter, so beautiful, Dada, so elegant. See how my daughter
Dada,
is.
Mom, wait. I have good news. I am now a graduate.
Wait, for real? Yes. I am now father of a graduate. Oh my God,
It has happened in my house. Hey! Oh, hey!
I am now a father of a graduate. Hey! Yeah. Uye unenu ụbọchị abụla egwu ayamma ọgaranya ngada ọkwa iche gboro olili. You know what? I am going there. You know that fowl? The big agric fowl. We're going to slaughter it now. Now, Mazuta, get ready to chop.
Oh,
I am now a father of a graduate daughter, which means Okonkwo and others will have themselves to.
Put it on my head. Put it on my head. Put it on my head.
Are you serious?
I think I need it.
What?
I think it's heavy for me. Oh. Hey!
Mommy.
Hey!
My love, you won't believe this. You know the contract we've been praying for now? Yes, the one we've been praying for. They just confirmed it to me now. Baby, yes! This is my biggest contract as a real estate developer. Baby, this calls for celebration. Where are you at? Please come over. We need to celebrate. Come. Abandon whatever you are doing, just come. We are rich forever. This is the biggest contract of my life. I can't wait to see you, my love. Love you forever, my world. I'm waiting. Thank you. She's coming, so what next? Everything we discussed. Implementation is next. Drink up.
What did you say Michael said? I would like to hear it.
Michael said that he just won a contract. My baby just won a contract, and not just the contract, like the contract of his life, like the biggest ever. Oh my God! Oh, that is the good part. I mean, like, he is saying that I should come over to the house so we can celebrate.
What are you still waiting for? Don't you know that this is a great opportunity for you to get him into the charm?
No, I know. Yes! I mean, that is why I'm excited. It's not even about the job. So, like, I'm going to his house right now.
Of course, go. So what do I do? Don't worry, I'm going to take care of this house. In fact, I am sleeping here tonight.
Please, my darling, sleep here, lay here. I have wine in the fridge. I have lots of food in the kitchen. Just enjoy yourself.
I'm going to enjoy myself, baby.
Wait!
What?
That's horse of a boyfriend. You call yours. Please keep him away from my house today. The last time you guys were here, you guys broke my bed in just one round.
I am calling my horse already. We need to break all the furniture in this house before they break.
Why? Don't even try it, so see. Don't you even pity this thing? Pity this thing. Pity this thing.
Just go. Good luck. What is it? How to change?
I can wear this.
Change it. Change already. Go.
I'm behind you.
No matter what you do, no matter how much you try, you will never know peace. You do not have a hiding place.
Madam.
Yeah, I'm Paul. How are you?
Thank you. Long time no see.
Yeah, how now?
This is why you disappear. You disappear.
You travel to spirit land to beg for forgiveness. This one you disappear for 3 days.
John Paul, shut up.
I wonder whether you disappear with the ghost too.
Shut up. Your guy is inside, don't forget.
Your guy is inside. I want just know how you carry, I mean...
John Paul, please. I have something very important to do inside. I have something important to do.
Something very important?
Yes.
Like wait a minute.
What do you mean?
You won't set ghost trap for the ghost. I mean for the ghost.
John Paul, just shut up. Every time you're saying ghost, ghost, stop shouting ghost, 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 ghost. The walls have ears.
Are you serious? Walls get here. You will say.
You don't know?
No. Come. Where the ear there? The wall get here. Where the ear there? The wall get here. Where the ear? What's that the ear there? What's that? You say the wall get here. I don't. What's that the ear there?
John Paul, listen. You don't have to bother, okay? I have silenced that ghost for good.
Are you serious?
You and I are safe. That ghost cannot come near me. It cannot come near you. She cannot come near any of the people related to us. So don't worry. We are free and safe now, okay?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Say, no more ghosts.
No more ghosts. No shout ghost. No more.
Okay.
No more.
Okay. No more ghosts.
No more.
Hey! Thank you, Igbo this, huh? In fact, madam, see, anybody will find you trouble, will talk bad about you for this whole world for now today. Madam, anybody will you look you eye, as you look you evil eye, bad eye, from now on. Anybody will say my organo go marry you. In fact, damn you 17 pickings inside your belly at once. Igbogbo plus igbogbo plus igbogbo plus igbogbo plus igbogbo boya. Ekpe bulolu di Abakaleke love Jesus. I pray in Abakaleke tongue in Jesus' name.
Amen. It's okay. It's okay.
What can you say with that? That ghost is idiot. I tell you. You know, see, I nearly run mad. Every time ghost,
Things so small with ghost, they're still shouting ghost.
You don't catch up now, not to can't ghost.
Wait, Oga is inside. Boss is inside. Stop shouting. See, go back to your house, okay? I have something to do with your boss. When I'm done seeing him, I'll cook something really nice and I'll bring for you. Don't worry.
Are you serious?
You eat.
You cook something nice?
You enjoy. Don't worry. Just go.
Gee, madam, God bless you. Fact. Shama! I respect your government. My madam. Any other one, like the two of them, the border, is a counterfeit. Ghost case close. Nonsense. Which kind of Lagos? If they kill you, die for months. Abage in pornos or kapandi or so. If say they kill you, you don't go rest in the waka, they buka. Who they buka for? They don't cage you forever, idiot. What nonsense? They call you the brother, they come punish you, the idiot. In fact, the brother goes to Ababugidia. Idiot. What nonsense? No more. Hey, come on, hey. Do like this, they shake for you. Come, no. Never again. One idiot. Above the brother. Madam, beg. Cook the food. Bring down. Go celebrate the gift.
Wow. Welcome, darling.
Thank you. Congratulations, baby.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
I'm so excited.
Yes, me too.
In fact, feel free to call me Mickey the billionaire.
Mickey the multi-billionaire. No. My Mickey the multi-billy. Mickey the billy.
I'm so excited, my love.
Congrats, darling. Congrats.
Like I say, this calls for celebration.
Of course. Woo!
We are rich forever, baby.
Okay, darling.
go.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers to our arrival into the billionaire's world.
Whoa. Cheers, baby. Babe, congratulations, my love.
Thank you.
You know, as long as we are together, we'll always be successful and happy.
You can say that again.
Yes, babe. Listen, we have to celebrate. We won't just be celebrating with just wine and champagne.
Okay.
I need to go into that kitchen and make something for your belly. You know, something jolly that will make your belly more jollified.
My favorite,
you know
right?
now, your favorite. So I'll
Okay.
just go in there while you wait for me.
All
I'll be
right.
back soon, my love. I love you, baby. Congratulations. Mwah.
Love you more. Oh, my world. My lord. Baby,
Yes, baby.
please add fried chicken to whatever you are preparing, okay?
All right, darling. Coming soon.
Love you.
Love you.
My guy, how far? Yes. I don't put her for a drink. She don't drink now. So what next? Okay. We're another, no problem. Okay. Rubbish. I will end this madness today.
Peace. No matter what you do, no matter how much you try, you will never know peace. You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace. No. You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace. Taking life out of me, cutting shots my future, crushing my destiny, giving me teary eyes, causing my parents pains, shutting up their means of joy, thinking it would favor you. No, that's a lie. You will never know peace. You can never know peace.
my guy, listen. I laced her drink, and as we speak, she's unconscious. Yes, I don't even commode the waist beads where they have waist. I don't hide them where she no ever see them. Yes, I've taken care of that. Now, what you gonna be saying? I want to leave the house so that I can comfortably deny whatever she's saying when she wakes up. Yes, vision in progress. I don't want that.
How dare you try to restrain my spirit after killing me? Now the countdown to your doom has just started.
Please forgive me. Please, I beg you, don't kill me, please.
No peace. No matter what you do, no matter how much you try, you will never know peace.
Open the gate. Open the gate for me. Open the gate.
Open with it. Open back. No, do it not say that. No, do it say you don't tie the ghost. Say you don't tie like firewood. Bury them with the body. No. Igbe plus camera. Plus you, madam. Plus me. Plus village people. They don't join form alliance. They don't allow my head.
She slapped me. Come out.
See, now she talks, say, don't tell you like firewood. No, boy, what you know? No, boy, you talk.
Didn't I warn you clearly enough? You think I was bluffing? Do you think you can stop me?
You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace. No. You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace. Taking life out of me. Cutting shots, my future. Crushing my destiny. Giving me teary eyes. You will never know peace. No matter what you do, no matter how much you try, you will never know peace. You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace. No. You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace. Taking life out of me, cutting shots, my future.
If you move an inch, I'll kill you. You will go to Frank's house. Now, when you get there, I'll tell you what to do. Hurry!
You will never know peace. You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace.
Debo nwa. Debo daddy, debo mommy. Hey, in fact, you are the only Biancafo and Amanefo ghost. Please have mercy. Have mercy on this idiot. This stupid idiot when they talk to you. Oh, I beg, have mercy. No, kill me. In fact, instead of you to kill me, dash me EP. Like, no, total. That EP. Even if I don't go, be like Catholic cathedral. I don't go to like Ulelundi Awadon, I go figure just give me that one. I can't don't kill me, Miko. Instead of you to kill me, kill Maureen, not Oga. Oga, why want to kill her? Now she cause all this nonsense. The only help I have, I bury you. He doesn't help. I don't follow to kill you. He said, make I hit. No, I said,
Shut it! Shut your mouth! Stand up!
You don't get to stand up. I'm not stand up.
Why are you so stupid?
Don't mind me, no mind me, I'm from village.
Why
They
are
do
you
me
so
from village.
useless?
I'm from
How
village.
does your Oga keep up with you?
No man, idiot. You don't want me salary. You don't want me salary. You don't want me salary.
Shut up! Shh. I don't want to hear it. Do not touch. You will go and open the gate for your guy. He's back. Comport, jump on. Behave yourself, jump on. Behave. Arrange yourself.
walk. Now go and open the gate.
Okay.
Come back, jump on. Comport yourself, jump on.
I'm coming.
Behave.
Behave. Bye.
Shut up.
No matter what you do, no matter how much you try, you will never know peace. You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace. No. You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Why, why you keep me forget?
I be there for backyard.
I go condemn your eye. I go chook you key for eye.
Don't you get
I go chook you key for eye. I go condemn your eye. Deborah,
Sir.
you came around.
Yes, sir.
Has it been long you arrived?
Not really. John Paul said you went out to...
Yes, I went to give my business partner an important document.
Okay, sir.
What of your parents? Hope they're good.
They sent their warmest regards.
Let's go in. My fiancé prepared something delicious.
Oh, really? I'm so hungry.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Don't get lost.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because of people they see my face they make Noella act well.
Still running.
Wrong.
Now I got me short.
Wrong. Act from where you picked up. Action!
Hey, God, I don't die again without dying before. As it is now, Oga no knows na spirit, na ghost, he deal with, he no knows na ghost, he deal with. Which can wahala be this guy? Which can wahala go do for himself? Hey, which can wahala? They talk say, once you carry icy ghost, you go die. I carry icy ghost, I see the issues, I see the. Then maybe this, when they see ghost, koro, ghost they flog me. To pull your order finish. And I finish. My order finish. They say if you see ghost, you go die. I see ghost, I see ghost. Maybe life, I your pop.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Where is Maureen?
Madam.
Yes. Are you okay?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I don't okay inside it. I don't okay inside, but outside, I don't know.
My friend, will you shut up and focus? Where is Maureen?
Maureen? Okay, madam. She come out.
She come out. How? This is her car here.
Her car.
Is this not her car?
Yes, her car.
What do you mean by
Yes. A friend come. A friend, two of them follow, come out with a friend car.
Please don't mind my gate man. He's just a clown.
It's okay, sir.
So how is life generally?
Very well, thank you, sir.
Alright, you know your way around. So feel free. You can go to the kitchen, prepare whatever you want.
No, sir. I'll wait for your fiancée to come back. I actually came to know how she's faring.
But you should have called.
I don't have your number, sir. Besides, I thought it worth doing to come personally to thank you for what you did for me last time. God bless you, sir.
Amen. That's good of you. Well, my fiancée is now fine. It turned out that she was pranking me.
Oh, just a prank?
Yes. I was pissed when I found out it was a prank. But we are now fine.
That is good to hear, sir. That is good to hear.
Hey, that reminds me. You said you studied architecture, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm a real estate developer. How about joining me in my company after my wedding?
Really? Oh, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
No matter what you do, no matter how much you try, you will never know peace.
Yeah, just a minute, I'm coming.
You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace. No.
Hello.
You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace.
How did you get my address, man?
Your proposal, the one you sent to my office, has your address boldly written on it.
Oh, I forgot. So, what are you doing here? I mean, the last time I came to your office, you embarrassed me.
Tell him you want him. It's a dog. You won't have troubles getting him in between your legs.
Are you okay, man?
No, yes, of course, I'm fine. I want you.
What? You want me? How can you come to my house to tell me you want me? Rather than apologizing for the insult you gave to me in your office, not once but 2 times. Are you on cheap drugs or something? What?
How dare you? How dare you say that? How dare you even insinuate that I'm on cheap drugs? How dare you? Don't insult.
There you go again with your anger management failure issues. You should have used your heels again.
I'm sorry.
Don't look at me, Maureen. It's not seemly.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay? You slapped me in my own house?
I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
Kiss him, Maureen.
Are you okay?
Kiss him, Maureen.
What is wrong with you? Stop it. What is wrong with you?
Seduce him. Tell him that you love him and you want him to be your man. In fact, he should make love to you right now. Do it.
I want you to make love to me now.
Jesus Christ. You're not okay.
No, I am.
No, you're not.
Of course. No, I want you.
You are not. Then why are you crying?
No,
Why are you? You are not okay.
Do it, Maureen. Yes. Continue.
Frank!
Maureen? Jesus Christ! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's not what you think. Please, I can't explain this. Oh my God.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. God. How dare you, Frank? How dare you, Maureen? With my best friend's fiancé? Unbelievable. Barely 2 weeks to your wedding. Maureen?
Oh God.
Mike must hear this.
Kevin, please, Kevin, please, let me explain. Kevin, please, Kevin.
Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
No matter what you do, no matter how much
I'm finished.
you do not
I'm
finished.
God, can you get out of my house already?
You will never know peace. No. You can never run away from your
Get out of my house.
shadow. You will never know peace. Taking life out of me, cutting shots my future, crushing my destiny, giving me teary eyes.
You know what? Damn you! Kill me! Kill me! Let me just go! Kill me! I am tired of living! Why don't you just go ahead and kill me? What are you waiting for? Kill me! Listen, you better kill me here and now, else I will still go to Michael and tell him everything. I will tell him myself of how I killed you in his living room. I will tell him how I took your corpse to the forest and buried it there. I will tell him everything because I don't care anymore. I do not care. You are such a bitter, manipulative ghost. A relationship breaker. That is what you are.
Why are you still here ranting? You said you want to die. Go ahead, carry out your threat. Because the only way for you to stop this nightmare is for you to commit suicide. Yes, Maureen. Die with me, Maureen.
No.
Die with me, Maureen. Die with me, Maureen. Die with me, Maureen. Die with me. Die with me. Die with me.
I'm tired. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Anya.
Just go ahead and kill me. What are you waiting for? Kill me.
Don't be a fool, Maureen. Don't be a fool. People are looking at you.
I don't care. I do not care who is looking at me. Just do it. Go ahead and do it. Make it easy. Kill me.
I don't want to do it just yet. You know what to do if you want to die.
I don't want to do it myself because I cannot do it myself. So do it for me. Do it. Kill me. What are you waiting for? Just do it. What are you waiting for? Just do it. Kill me. Do it. Do it. Kill me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay? Who are you talking to?
It's her.
Who? Who is the person now? Who are you talking to? My guy.
Never mind.
You should never mind. Guy, this woman needs help. Move take her to the psychiatric hospital. It's not far from here. We can take you there. We won't charge you.
Damn you. Waka! It is both of you that needs to go to the psychiatrist hospital. Damn you!